for the BLDC motor for the hoverboard, where I am controlling the two BLDC motor through the stm32 CubeMX, writing the code in Cube IDE and configuration of the pin. Finally, end of some videos we will flash the code into the microcontroller. So first you go to the new project. This is old project, I will delete it. This is no more required. Okay, after new project you will see a new window will open where you can search your microcontroller. This is the new window, and just type here whatever your microcontroller on the your board. So I have stm32 f103 RCD6, so it is selected here. Just select and see, this is not a Nucleo original board, so you will not find here the complete description of that controller. So after that this new window will open. Then what to do? First you will go to the system core. Here you will find the system and you will assign here the serial wires, and after serial wires assigning you will see here PA13 and PA14 are assigned for SWDIO and SW clock. Then next go to the timer. In the timer I will select as timer 1 and go to clock and internal clock. Then internal clock, this is good for the PLDC motor. Then here you can go and assign this pin PWM generation channel 1 and channel 1N. You can see now channel 1 PA8 and PA7 is assigned. Then go to the again PWM. So here in this channel here in this timer we will assign the 3 channels, and same like this PWM generation channel 3. Now the problem is in my motherboard or microcontroller board where all the pin hardware is there, these pins are not assigned for this power section. So I will move this one. Just press the control key and move this one. You will see the some pins color is being changed. So you just release shift. Now this is the shift system, so you can shift your pins from here to PA13, PB13, 14 and 15. So this is the first video. Next video will assign the timer 8. Thank you for watching.